Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to set up Playwright in VS Code step by step. So make sure to watch this video till the end. Let's get started. So first we will download Node.js. So for all the JavaScript code, Node.js is required. So let's first check in command prompt. So you can check it by using this command node -version. So currently it is not recognized in my system. So let's download the Node.js first. So let's type install Node.js. Let's open this link, and here you can select operating system according to your preference. So for me it is Windows. We need to click on this button, so I recommend you to download .msi file. Okay, it is done. Then let's open this, then click on next, then click on next, and then install. So it start installing Node.js. So it's just like a Java. So if you want a code in Java, then you need to download Java in your system. Similarly, if you want to code in JavaScript, then you need to install Node.js. Finish. So now we need to set the path of Node.js. Let me check. Here it is, Node.js. Copy this path. Let's open system variable. You need to click on here. First create one variable. Click on new button. Here enter node_home. And in variable value, you need to paste the copied value. So this is the path of Node.js. And then click on OK. And then OK. Yeah, that's it for Node.js. Let me check again. Node and version. Now you can see it is showing the versions. So it means Node.js is successfully installed in my system. Okay. First we will create an empty folder to initialize the Playwright project. Okay, here let me create one Playwright practice project. Okay. So same folder I will open in VS Code. Now we need to install Playwright dependencies. So in Playwright official website, they have given the simple command. If you see here npm, so we need to execute this command. Let me copy it and paste it over here. Let's press enter. Oh, is there any error? Okay. So this error is related to npm.ps1. Okay, got it. So this error occurs because PowerShell blocks .ps1. So by default, the terminal in VS Code on Windows usually uses PowerShell. So when you open the VS Code terminal and run npm command, it is actually running inside PowerShell, which is why you see the npm ps1. So let me also show you. If I open this and run npm command here, then the same error I am also getting here. So let's fix it. So at this point, lot of beginners think npm is broken, but actually npm is fine. Node.js is installed correctly. PowerShell security policy is blocking script execution. So the issue is related to Windows PowerShell security settings, not npm itself. So let's fix it by changing the execution policy to remote signed. So for this, you need to open PowerShell as administrator. Okay, here you need to execute one command. Let me copy it. Okay, so this command you need to execute. Basically, by this command, we are changing the execution policy to remote signed, and we allow trusted local script to execute while still keeping security protection enabled. Then you need to press enter and you need to give y, then enter. Okay, let's try again. npm -v. Yeah, now you can see the error is gone. Now let's try again in VS Code. So if you are also getting the same kind of error, then by doing simple step you can also resolve this. So okay, now let's continue. And guys, please subscribe to my channel because you may not see me next time, but I will help you to grow your automation skills. So please subscribe this channel. Let's continue. So now we need to choose between TypeScript and JavaScript. So there is no much difference between these. If you know JavaScript, then 98% of TypeScript you know. There is just small syntax changes are there. Let's put it in default suggestions it gave here. So for now we don't need GitHub Actions. Okay, let me do it and yes, true. Okay, so if you see it is start installing Playwright tests, found 0 vulnerability, and here you can see it created some files and folders. We will see one by one. So currently it is downloading the browsers and all the required dependencies. So we have successfully configured Playwright in your system. So what we did, we just executed single command, and here you can see these are some folders created by the command only, and it also downloaded all the dependencies of Playwright. Okay, now let's walk through the files and folders created by the command. So first you can see this playwright.config.ts. So this file is very important. This is nothing but a test runner for your entire project test cases. There are lots of things inside this file which I will explain you in upcoming videos. So make sure to subscribe the channel, which is free for you. Now let's go to this package.json. So this is a default file which gets created for every Node project. In this file, you will have the information about Playwright dependencies. This log file you can ignore. And if you see this test folder, here there is one file example.spec.ts. Basically this is a sample test cases. Okay, so in the same folder you can create a new test file as well. The file name should be ends with .spec.ts. Okay, fine. Next is node_modules. All the Playwright related jars are installed in this folder. So that's it guys. We have successfully configured the Playwright in your system. Thank you, and if this video is helpful for you, then like this video. See you in the next one. Bye.